వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇక్కడ ఎవరో సైక్లిస్టులు కనబడ్డారు, చేతులు ఊపుతున్నారు. వీళ్ళు కూడా 1 2 3. ఓ ఐ నో దీస్ ఫెల్లోస్ అనుకుంటాను నేను. ఫ్రమ్ వేర్? ఓ 1 2. హాయ్ హాయ్. Oh, where are you from?
From France.
France. Oh,
Are you?
I'm from India.
From?
India.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Nice. You are going or coming?
Going to Chachalek.
What?
We are going to Chachalek.
Oh, lake.
Yes. And you?
Ulangam.
Longam?
Okay. It's near to Kazakhstan.
Ah.
Kazakhstan. Ulangam to Ulaanbaatar.
Okay.
Okay. These two also.
Yes.
They are riding bicycles?
Yes.
Wow! Great.
So how long? For how long are you riding?
40 months.
Okay.
Around 3 years above.
Okay.
Yeah. India, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, China, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Mongolia.
Okay. And then
Going next Australia.
Australia?
All 6 continents. Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and Africa. And,
Okay. Okay. Long way.
What about you?
It's a 7 months trip.
7 months trips.
Yes.
In Mongolia?
We started from Thailand, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Japan, and now Mongolia,
Oh.
and then back to France.
Oh, this is your last country.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
At the end of the month, we take a plane back to France.
great. With kids, it's so amazing.
How you stop in Chachalek tonight?
I don't know. Wherever I don't have any problem, like plans.
Okay,
Randomly, if it is like dark, then I'll stop.
okay.
You have a lot of luggage.
Yes,
It's a lot.
yes, because we have to carry some stuff for the kids also. So
Great.
the tent and all sleeping bags and mattress and so on. And
Really amazing. I'm inspired. Seriously. Wow. A lot of luggage. Oh. It's so heavy. Heavy?
I don't know.
How many? How much?
This is qu'est-ce qu'il y a là-dedans? This is almost empty now, but when we carry food,
Oh, you'll carry
sometimes we
food
have
on
a
this.
lot of food because you don't see it.
Yeah.
So some noodles.
You rent the bicycles or you're taking it with you? Bicycle?
With us.
With us?
Yes, from France. Yes.
Oh,
On the plane.
it's crazy. It's heavy? It's heavy? Maybe heavy.
Yes. I don't know. Maybe 60 kilos.
60 kilo?
Yes.
These people are empty. Empty bags.
I think
nice.
it's about 450 kilos. Everything.
450?
Yes, everything.
Oh my goodness.
So bicycle, it's the children. It's about 10 kilos, maybe 12 is with this. So maybe the children are 30 kilos. So both of the big bicycle about 60 each. Depends of if we are sometimes we carry a little bit of water.
A lot of water, yeah. Really nice.
but we are slow.
Ah, me too. Yeah, because this much luggage with kids,
Yes. Like
should be close.
35, 40
For a day?
for a day, yes.
It's okay, better, good.
Yes. Here not more than 35, 40.
Yeah, like
Yes. And it's not paved, when it's not paved, you're slow.
but view is excellent, awesome view.
Yes.
So the
Yes.
location is
Yes.
so beautiful and greenery.
And you can stop anywhere to camp. And it's,
Yeah, you can wherever you want.
yes.
That's the best thing. You can camp anywhere. That's the best thing for me. For Japan, no, you can't. But Korea is okay. You can pitch a camp. And Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, you can pitch a camp like in petrol stations wherever you want.
Okay.
But Japan, you have to ask
Okay.
permission. But this country,
Yes.
it's a heaven for cyclists. Heaven for cyclists.
Yes.
But the road is, the problem is the road, single road,
Yes.
a small road. But amazing. I'm riding Mongolia around 3,500 kilometers.
Okay.
It's Mongolia. I'm riding around 3,500 kilometers. You are coming from Ulaanbaatar?
Yeah, no, we took a train to Erdenet
Eldoret.
and we came from Erdenet. So it's 350 kilometers.
Okay. Mine around 500 kilometers till now.
Okay.
Maybe 6 days. It took 6 days.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm an influencer. So I make videos in YouTube and Instagram. I make money from that.
Okay.
So I'm traveling with that.
Nice.
So because that is the source of income for me.
Okay.
It's amazing. Oh, it's a 7 months trip.
Yes. From January to July.
January to July. Oh.
End of July.
Maybe it's my future. It's my future. You are in my future. Seriously.
We did it 14 years ago without the kids, just
Ah,
of us.
from where to where?
Scandinavia
Uh,
and crossing Russia with the Trans-Siberian
uh-huh.
train,
Uh-huh.
and Mongolia when we were here 14 years ago.
Oh, 14 years ago. How is Mongolia?
It was different. It was
No roads?
no cars.
No cars. Okay.
But it was in September, so maybe
So cold.
at the end of September it was a little bit cold, but no car at all. No paved road here.
Uh-huh.
So it was a bit different.
How old are you?
I'm 44.
Oh, you are not. You are looking like 32, 33, like that. It's amazing. Crazy.
And then we went to New Zealand and Patagonia.
Oh, Patagonia.
Yes.
Ah.
New Zealand is very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you will take all this stuff to your friends again?
Yes.
You have plans into future maybe?
Yes, because we usually do some small trips in the summer, for 3 weeks or 4 weeks by bicycle also.
Oh.
It's the first big trip with the kids, but
How was the experience with them? This is your first trip in the like abroad?
First big trip.
first
big
big
trip.
trip, yes.
How is your experience?
Comment vous avez trouvé votre voyage?
They are tired?
Huh? They say it was great. Est-ce que vous êtes fatigué?
They are tired? No?
Un peu, a little.
A little bit.
A
tired.
little bit? Oh.
And as we go back to France at the end of the month, they expect to go back to France to see again their house and
And the friends?
And their friends.
They have a lot of stories to tell their friends.
Yes.
Like we did this and we went there, and wow, it's a great education for them.
Yes. I
Right?
think so.
Yeah.
But we have this for comment on dit mais
To help them,
What happened?
we can attach the bicycle.
bicycle, a little bicycle.
Okay, so okay,
When
okay.
it's going up, when
Ah,
the slope is too
Oh.
hard, and when it's too hard, we can attach them
okay.
like this. Up.
Okay, is that okay? Okay,
Yes.
is that okay? Okay.
Yeah. It's quite strong and
For two
when
cycles.
it's flat. We don't
No
attach them.
problem.
But
So
when it's going
up,
yes,
they can't
Yes.
maybe like.
they can do it themselves. But if we don't want them to be too tired,
Yes.
we do that sometimes.
Then you both are have a strong legs. So great.
Not as strong as yours.
No, mine.
3 years cycling.
I have more 7 years. More 7 years.
7 years.
More.
Okay.
So this trip is like total 10 years.
Okay.
So this is my like I started this trip in 2021.
Okay.
So it will take more 7 years to
Okay.
travel around the world. You see. So great. I'm really inspired. You are staying here today?
No. We go to the city.
Okay, there is a city like around 20 kilometers, like
Yes.
15 kilometers,
Yes.
something like that,
We
right?
will stop there and stay there 2 or 3 days.
Okay, in the hotels or camping?
Yes.
Hotel?
Hotel. Yes.
Hotel, okay. Yeah, you need a break.
Yes. Especially for the kids.
They have to bath or something.
Yes.
To
to rest a little bit and to eat something else than noodles.
Okay, you eat food in the hotels or like you make food?
We will see. I think we will have a breakfast in the hotel and then we will see.
I'm almost having food in hotels.
Okay.
In the night, I make myself.
Okay.
In the daytime, I can't like waste my time to cook food. So it's available everywhere in the afternoon times. If I can't find the food, then I can make. But the main problem is with water. Sometimes around like 50 to 60 kilometers, there is no water. But amazing. Awesome. You have a tent, so you can sleep. 4 people you can sleep, right?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, this is the tent here.
The big one.
Yes. For 4 or 5 people.
4 or 5 people.
So it's big enough for 4.
What is your name?
Lazar.
Huh?
Lazar.
Lazak?
Lazar.
Lazak. And you are?
Thelma.
Telma? Oh, nice. Is that good with? Is that good? Cycling?
Est-ce que c'est bien de faire du vélo?
Yes.
Which is your best country?
Ça veut dire quoi ça?
Qu'est-ce que le pays que tu as préféré?
Thailand. Oh, Japan? Why?
Pourquoi?
Je sais pas.
What is the capital of Japan?
On a fait beaucoup d'activités. C'est parce qu'on a fait beaucoup d'activités.
Because he says because
Animes?
they saw animals and they did some activities.
Okay.
Not only cycling but also
Wait,
activities.
I did cycling from in Japan from Tokyo to Fukuoka. So yeah, thank you. Do you have any message?
Oh no, just just have fun on your bicycle and see the world.
That's it. Why do you choose bicycle?
Why? Because we think it's the
A life in a slow motion.
good speed.
Good speed. Yeah, a life
Not
in
too
a
fast, and
Yes.
not too slow.
yeah. It's like slow motion video.
Yes, slow motion, but not as slow as walking.
Things are
So
clear.
you can see landscape
Clear.
going, you know,
Yeah.
but quite slow, and you have time to see everything. else.
Everything.
And stop and
And physically fit.
yes,
Physically
also,
fit.
Yes, and it's a good way to go out of tourist places and meet local people.
Yeah.
Especially with the kids and the local people that they always want to know.
About your journey and about you, and they want to take photos with
Yes.
you, and they want to like listen your story, why you are traveling like this and everything. Yeah,
Yes.
it's amazing. You have extra tire also.
Yes,
Yes,
just one in case of
Yeah, but okay, this road is good.
yes.
No problem. Yeah, but amazing. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ranjit.
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 Ranjit. Ranjit.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I'm Julien. Julian.
Julian?
Hmm?
Oh,
Manon.
Manu?
Hmm.
Manu is like Indian name.
Okay.
Manu, Indian name. Thank you. Great. సో వీళ్ళు ఎలా రైడ్ చేస్తున్నారో చూద్దాము. అండ్ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. Nice to meet you. Thank you. అమ్మాయి వాళ్ళ రైడ్ చేస్తుందిగా.
This is Mongolia. Horses and yak, goats.
All are in one place. Horses and goats and yaks. హస్బెండ్ అండ్ వైఫ్ హెవీ లగేజ్ క్యారీ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ పిల్లలు వచ్చేసి లగేజ్ ఏం లేదు వాళ్ళకి, జస్ట్ వాటర్ అండ్ స్మాల్ థింగ్స్. వీళ్ళు జస్ట్ అంటే ఎక్కువ ఏం దొక్కట్లేదు, ఒక 300 కిలోమీటర్స్ అంతే మాత్రమే దొక్కుతున్నారు. అంటే జస్ట్ వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు టైర్డ్ అవ్వకుండా. రియల్లీ క్రేజీ అసలుకి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ముందర చాలా పెద్ద కొండలు ఉన్నాయి. వచ్చినప్పుడు వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంట అంటే, సో ఈ విధంగా కట్టుకొని ఎక్కుతారంట. ఇట్స్ టేల్ విండ్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇట్స్ ఎ టేల్ విండ్. సో చూద్దాం. సో చూడండి, కమాన్, ఐఎమ్ ఫిల్మింగ్. గ్రేట్. పిల్లలకు కూడా ఎక్కువ బర్డెన్ కాకుండా మంచిగా గుంజుతున్నారు వాళ్ళు. యా, గొప్ప విషయం. ఇప్పుడు నాకు వీళ్ళ వెనకాల వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ వచ్చింది. వాళ్ళ డాడీని వెనకేసాము. నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. మేబీ ఇది నా ఫ్యూచర్. మీరు అసలు రంజితాన్ వీల్స్ ఇది అయిపోయినాక ఆగిపోతాడు సంథింగ్ మీరు అనుకుంటారు కావచ్చు, కానీ ఇంకొక 10 నుండి 20 సంవత్సరాలు నేను సైకిల్ మీదనే ఉంటాను. నా లైఫ్ మొత్తం సైకిల్ పైనే ఉంటాను. ఇక వీలైతే నా పిల్లలను కూడా ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని వస్తా ఫ్యూచర్లో. పిల్లం రాకుంటే పిల్లలైనా పట్టుకొని వస్తా. ఇది ముచ్చట అన్నట్టు. బట్ తగ్గేదేలా. నేను బల్లో వాళ్ళకి పాఠాలు నేర్పించదలుచుకోలేదు. ఆ 4 గోడల మధ్యలో వచ్చే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కన్నా వాళ్ళకి ఓకే అది కూడా ఉంటుంది. కానీ ప్రతి ఎండాకాలం 3 నెలల సెలవులలో ప్రతి 3 నెలలకి వాళ్ళకి సైకిల్ రైడ్ ఉంటుంది. నాతో సైకిల్ మీద ప్రతి దేశం తిరుగుతారు. ప్రతి సమ్మర్ హాలిడేస్లో వాళ్ళు అందరు పిల్లలు అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి నాన్నమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి అని వెళ్తే ఓన్లీ నా పిల్లలు మాత్రం సైకిల్ మీద దేశాలు తిరుగుతారు. ఇది మీరు ఫ్యూచర్లో కంపల్సరీ చూడబోతున్నారు. ఇట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓరాడు గట్టిగా దొరుకుతాడు. అవి దొరకబడతా. నేను వీడియో ఇస్తాను. అమ్మాయి చూడు ఎంత మంచిగా ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోతుందో. అట్లున్నారు. నా గేర్ డౌన్లో ఉందా, అందుకే ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోవట్లేదు. అయ్యి అమ్మాయి ఎక్కి మరీ దొక్కుతుంది ఆ పాప. ఇంత స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటారు మన పోరగాళ్ళు. తుటుకు సర్ది దగ్గు జ్వరము అని హాస్పిటల్లో పండి తిరుగుతారు. ప్లీజ్ గ్రౌండ్ లేని స్కూళ్ళల్లో, జెండా వందరం లేని స్కూళ్ళల్లో కాకుండా ఫిజికల్గా కూడా యాక్టివ్గా ఉండే స్కూళ్ళల్లో పెట్టుర్రి. అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు మెంటల్గా ఫిజికల్గా కూడా యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటారు. అది ముచ్చట. మేబీ వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఆగిపోతారు. నేను ఫర్దర్గా ముందు కంప్లీట్గా వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటా. ప్రాపర్ గుడ్ బై చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. వీళ్ళు తింటే ఇక్కడ వరకు మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారంట బస్ చూసుకొని. అవసరం. బాయ్ 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 బాయ్.
Take care.
Yeah, sure. సో యా, ఇంకా వాళ్ళు తినడానికి వెళ్తున్నారు. మేబీ నేను ఇప్పుడే తినను, నేను ఇంతకుముందే తిన్నాను. బాయ్ బాయ్. అంతే. సో ఈ వీడియో ఇక్కడితో ఎండ్ అయిపోద్ది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా. అండ్ ఎందుకంటే ఇది చాలా లెంత్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. అండ్